Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to turn off Google Assistant option into INFINIX HOT 11. First of all, need to find Google application on your device and go into. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so click it and choose settings. Then go into Google Assistant, and here in this menu need to scroll down and find General option. And need to click here on the switcher to turn off Google Assistant. Confirm operation, turn off Google Assistant one more time, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.